Okay, so right now I am on the Swift3 official website. Okay, so Swift3 is a new version of Swift with some huge changes. It's great that you're learning Swift right now because Swift is a really powerful programming language and it is also easy to learn, easy to understand for beginners. Remember at the last video tutorial, you took a sneak peek at Swift3 by making the Switch app. So let's get started by learning Swift right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Xcode and close down Safari. Now instead of creating a new Xcode project, I am going to get started with a playground. So click on it. You can call this whatever you like. I'm just going to leave it as a default my playground. I am going to create it in my desktop. And as you can see, we have a playground file in my desktop. I am going to change the color of my editor by heading into the Xcode menu, Preferences, and changing it back to default. Easier for you guys to see what I'm doing in the video. So we have a few lines of code over here, and you can see over in this statement, try to process what this line of code is doing. I'll give you a second or two to process this and try to guess what is this line of code doing. Okay, so what this code is doing is it's creating a new variable, and so it's having var, which means it's declaring a new variable, str, the name of the new variable. So we are creating a new variable called str, which is short for string, and assigning it to hello playground. So this is a string variable because it consists of words, a bunch of characters, and yeah. And if I expand the side pane over here, you can see the output. So this is the great thing about Xcode playgrounds. You can get immediate output without having to compile and just wait for like a few seconds to minutes depending on your Swift code. So I hope you have just learned a bit of too about Swift playgrounds, because in the next video tutorial we are going to dive into what are variables in Swift 3. This is Ben. Peace out.